Hey there, I'm here with Mr. Cool, and today we're going to take a look at the MRCOOL VersaPro central ducted heat pump split system. This system offers the harmonious blend of affordability, reliability, and top-notch construction. It's a fully ducted, variable speed heat pump platform, available in 6 capacities, all featuring a slim side discharge design. Plus, its DC inverter technology ensures smooth, quiet operation while helping to control utility costs, making it an ideal upgrade for older systems. Efficiency is another major advantage. It delivers up to an 18.8 SEER2 rating and an HSPF4 rating of 9.1. That's performance and efficiency rolled into one. Now, let's take a look at the MRCOOL VersaPro indoor air handler. This air handler offers flexible installation options, including upflow, downflow, and horizontal left and right configurations. It features a slide-out blower and a self-diagnostics panel, allowing straightforward maintenance and troubleshooting. This system can also be paired with an optional heat kit for even better heating performance. This split system uses R454B refrigerant, and each box comes with brazed to flare adapters and insulation sleeves. Installation is flexible thanks to the ability to use standard flared line sets or the MRCOOL no-vac line set. These lines come pre-charged and ready to connect. This flexibility allows installers to choose the method that works best for their job site. One of my favorite things about this system is that I can meter the refrigerant with EEVs for precise refrigerant control. Speaking of precise control, check out this error code readout on the control board. Both the VersaPro condenser and air handler feature this readout for quick diagnostics. This is so handy and saves so much time. Let's talk warranties. This system features 10-year parts and compressor warranty, and there's no registration required. That means homeowners and contractors don't have to worry about missing paperwork or reduced warranty protection. This MRCOOL heat pump system also includes the MRCOOL Smart Thermostat. With unique features such as vacation mode, filter cleaning monitoring, and automatic adjustments based on proximity to home, the MRCOOL Smart Thermostat ensures that you always enjoy the perfect temperature. So, if you're looking for a system offering a harmonious blend of affordability, reliability, and top-notch construction, look no further than MRCOOL's VersaPro. To find out more, visit MrCool.com today.